My name is Emma. I am the current technical officer here at Print City, and I studied the MSc in Industrial Digitalisation. Prior to me starting my MSc at Print City, I was trained in a BA Honours in Theatre Design, so I have a background in traditional model making. The thing that really appealed to me about the course was the access to the facilities and the equipment, and being able to be hands-on with all of the machines. For me, I'm somebody who learns by doing, so I knew I wanted to study a course where I could pick up practical skills really quickly. So the things that helped me bridge any skills gaps that I had when I started the course was the assistance from technical staff as well as the lecturers, but also learning from my fellow peers on the course. We were all different age groups and all come from different backgrounds, and their life experience really helped me to develop my skills. I've spent a lot of time learning how each different 3D printing technology works, something I've never had access to in the past.